Hey guys, it's going to be my first run of what I'm going to call the Dune Thunder, because that's basically what it's called from HBX, but it's got a number to it too. But I have so many numbers in my head, guys. I can't remember all the names of these cars, from the WL Toys to everything else. But anyway, I got this from RC Moment, and I'll put a link in the description. I also got a coupon code too. And I do have one correction in the unboxing. The radio uses 2 AA's and not 4. So anyway, you guys know I kind of get out here and try to do some test runs first before I take it off road. Look at them bright LED lights. That is bright. So bright y'all probably can't even see it. So looks like it's gonna go pretty good. For having a 380 motor, that's probably about, I don't know, that's probably about 14 to 16, 17 miles per hour. And that's a pretty decent servo. That's not going to be too bad for 89 bucks. Let's see. That's actually running decent, and it's cornering pretty good too. I don't see this traction rolling. Let's see if we can get the tires to squeak a little bit. A little bit. That's not bad, guys. Of course, we're running it on road, but off-road may be a little bit better too, so that's pretty good. You gotta love those LED lights in there as well. So like I said, I did pick this up because of the sorry if this thing keeps not focusing in for certain periods of time. Sometimes at night it just doesn't focus well. But I said I picked this up because it does use the vape type batteries in it. Has the LED lights, and I did see probably 1 or 2 videos on it. And I was curious if it ran as good as some of the videos I've seen before with it, and it actually does. So I'm pretty impressed with this for the price. Thus far, just on this first run, this would be pretty good for a little kid, because it's not too slow to where it's going to get boggled down like in grass or anything, and it's not too fast to where they're going to break it if they run into something. Of course, anything's going to break if you keep running it into something, but now runtime may be another thing to think about with this. With the 2 batteries, get out of here, get that can out of here. With the 2 batteries, it is a 1500 milliamp battery, but the motor is a 380 size motor, so I'm not sure exactly what the gearing is. But I would suspect you get about 12 minutes or so runtime. With this, we'll test this out. I believe when I ran my voltage series, I think it was about 7 or 8 minutes, and that's a lot heavier truck, a heavier RC car in general than this right here. And the milliamp and the batteries are the same, and that's running a 540 size motor, and this is running a 380, so I'm assuming you get a pretty decent runtime with this. So this is kind of making me want to go to the local e-cigarette shop and pick up a couple more of these batteries, and maybe a better, faster charger, because it did take a couple hours for this thing to charge up. But and just so you guys know, the Armor batteries that go in the voltage series, they are constructed a little bit differently. A friend of mine had bought a whole bunch of the vape size batteries, and they would not work inside the Armor cars. So they are kind of a different size as far as the, I guess, the endpoints are concerned. So that's something to consider if you ever bought a voltage series, but it would work in this. It would definitely work in here. And I believe they do sell higher, of course, milliamp batteries. So I may be looking at trying to get something higher or something like that. I don't know. I'll look at some of the options out there and talk to the vape guys. See what they say. And let them know I even got a car that runs on it. They may be like, oh, cool. Where can we get one from? So you'll have Arma, and then you'll have this one. And I'm not too sure if there's too many more cars out there that offer this type of option on there, but these are going to be more standard. So well guys, that's a quick run. I'm going to actually run this thing a little bit more out here and enjoy it. So wanted to show this to you guys. So far so good. I'm pretty impressed with the way this thing is handling out here. So I'm going to, of course, get a couple more videos of this, and of course do an off-road run as well. So as always guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. You gotta love those LED lights. I'm gonna take this in the dark some and run it on a couple of hills and stuff. So thanks guys for watching.